You're running with Flat Clayton?
Yeah.
And he's flying like a what? Like a bird?
A bird.
Wow.
He got wings.
Yeah? He's gonna swing? Okay.
He is an octopus.
Yeah.
Octopus.
He's an octopus?
Yeah.
Really? I don't think he's an octopus. I think he's a Flat Clayton. You're silly, Jay. You giving him a little swing on our swing? It's hot out here, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's hot. Hi, baby. Baby's eating popcorn.
Yeah.
Did you show Flat Clayton how far it is back to our house?
Yeah.
You tell him it's really far back up there. But you like to run. Yeah.
We like to run.
And this is our dock on our lake. And where are we? Are we in Mississippi?
We're not going in the lake.
We're not going in the lake. We don't swim in there because there's snakes.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just fish and feed the ducks.
Yeah.
And sometimes you go on the boat with Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. But when you go on the boat, you always wear a life jacket?
Yeah.
Yep.